You do not mention about the child or the fetus in the uterus. The CBI will consult him now. He was given an opportunity today. Why isn't he here? You guys are the kingpin in solving a case which is suspicious. 6 sciences than I do. And they'll rip you apart. Where under pressure, it might be beneficial for you to tell the investigating agency that you are under pressure. The doctors थे एक मिनट, एक तो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ 3 लोग, 2 लोग थे. यस, आपका शुभ नाम? हाँ, दिव्येश सक्सेना. यू आर एन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर in Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. Now I read your opinion where you said that you have already arrived at the thing. You have given an opinion that the death was on account of a snake bite. Is that right? That's right. Did you carry out any histopathological test on the spot to come to that conclusion? बाइट मार्क्स कहां दिख रहे हैं उसमें? आपने कभी चेक किया कि ये जो पंक्चर मार्क्स है या जो पंक्चर मार्क वो पोस्टमार्टम थे कि एंटीमार्टम थे? आपने चेक किया? कहां है आपका फाइंडिंग दैट दोस आर पोस्टमार्टम पंक्चर वुंड्स? बट देयर मस्ट बी अ कंक्लूजन सेइंग दैट इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स अ पोस्ट एंटीमार्टम इंजरी, एक्यूमोसिस का. एक ही है. एक मिनट, आई एम कमिंग टू दैट. दूसरा, डिड यू टेक ट्रांसेक्शंस ऑफ द लिवर to find out whether there were necrotic tissues which could have been linked with toxicity of snake bites? विसरा रखे तो उससे पहले आपने ये कंक्लूजन पे कैसे पहुंच गया कि ये स्नेक बाइट? कंपेयर किया आपने whether that could have been that was snake bite. How do you know? Snake bite के लिए the test, visceral organs are kept. You sent it for histopathological reporting, for the histopathological test. Whether it was snake bite or not, that was not your field. वो डोमेन था हिस्टोपैथोलॉजिस्ट का. वो विसरल ऑर्गन्स को डिसेक्ट करके देखता कि नेक्रोटिक टिश्यूज है कि नहीं. He would have checked out from the other thing to see whether snake bite toxicity के क्या symptoms है. ब्लड आपने भेजा था क्या उसके साथ? स्किन आपने नहीं भेजा. आपने विसरल ऑर्गन्स भेजे, स्किन आपने नहीं भेजा है. वो जो हिस्टोपैथोलॉजिकल रिपोर्ट में भी आया कि नहीं है हमारे पास. एक ये बात. दूसरा, द फैक्ट इज आपने ये व्हेन यू हैव नन ऑफ दोस पैरामीटर्स टू कम टू अ डेफिनेटिव कंक्लूजन कि स्नेक, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि अप्रॉक्सीमेशन में आपने दे दिया appears to be snake bite to be connected with histopathological or toxicological report. ऐसा नहीं है. आप देते हैं डेफिनेटिव ओपिनियन डेथ वाज ड्यू टू कार्डियोरेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर एज रिजल्ट ऑफ स्नेक बाइट. आपने ये भी नहीं लिखा है कि दैट दिस ओपिनियन हैज टू बी लिंक्ड, दैट दिस ओपिनियन हैज टू बी लिंक्ड विद द हिस्टोपैथोलॉजिकल रिपोर्ट फॉर कंफर्मेशन. आपने कंफर्मेटिव दे दिया विदाउट इवन डूइंग एनी ब्लड टेस्ट से पता लग जाता कि वेदर देयर वाज एनी स्नेक वेनम इन दैट. ब्लड का सैंपल आपने प्रिजर्व करके रखा है क्या? नहीं रखा. You just send your visceral organs. You only send that. You not send the blood sample for testing. That would have shown whether the venom was there. Most importantly, how have you? This lady was primigravida. It was her first pregnancy, and the uterus you say is healthy. You do not mention about the child or the fetus in the uterus. अरे 10-11 में आ जाओ. That is the one of the uterus healthy. We'll refer this to the CBI. This is all messed up. And most importantly, what I find suspicious is giving a definite opinion of snake bite death without asking for a correlation with the toxicological report. That's suspicious. आप लोग कोऑपरेट करिए. जो प्रेगनेंसी का जो रिपोर्ट्स है वो सब सीबीआई को दीजिए एंड गिव द वो प्लेट्स भी दीजिए अल्ट्रासोनिक प्रिजर्व करके रखिए. उसको बोल दीजिए वो हॉस्पिटल को, सो दैट द मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल. The worst is you've not even kept the blood sample aside. And once you come to the conclusion it is snake bite, you should have kept the blood sample aside to find out whether there is venom in it. अच्छा, घर कहाँ पर है ये? घर कहाँ पर है? रिहायशी एरिया में है कि जंगल में है? क्या है वहां पर? जंगल का एरिया भी पास में है क्या? गांव में. That would have reflected whether it was a hemotoxin or a neurotoxin. The snake bite that due to which the person would have died. Nothing has been preserved by it. No, don't show me judgments. This is right now, we are only on facts. See, a pregnancy of 19 weeks in the after opening the uterus, then your competence is called into question. The competence is called into question, or your motivation, one of the two. I am not going to comment on either because that is a matter of investigation. No question, no question. The CBI will consult him now. He was given an opportunity today. Why isn't he here? No question of Passover. We're going to pass the orders right away. Ms. Velik. That the CBI will do it. The CBI will do it. May not be of any relevance now because we are handing it over to the CBI. You may have filed. No, we will not. We will take it up separately. When is it listed today? Is it listed today? Aaj listed hai. It's not listed today. When that comes up, we will pass necessary orders in that. But this we will pass it on to the CBI today itself. We will not waste our time. You guys are the kingpin in solving a case which is suspicious. And if you abdicate your duty of being fair and diligent, do you realize that whom you are going to assist? Either ways, by your report you can either assist the accused or the complainant. You can assist the complainant by finding observations which are never there in the dead body. जहां पर चोट नहीं आपने लिख दिया चोट दिख गया. Last नहीं मैं कह रहा हूं. I'm just saying that this is what the doctor carrying on the postmortem report can do. Can say that an incised injury is a lacerated wound. It is your diligence on which everything is pivoted. Yours, the toxicologist, the person who does the DNA test, you are the fulcrum of a criminal investigation. You can tip the scales either way. And here is a case, the prima facie very strongly, I'm sorry to say so, you people have, I don't know whether it's negligence or whether it's deliberate, that the CBI will find out in the course of investigation. And it may be beneficial to you to speak the truth before them. Alright? If you speak the truth before them, it might be most beneficial. Otherwise, there's section 201 of the IPC where you can also be roped in. Alright? If you were under pressure, it might be beneficial for you to tell the investigating agency that you are under pressure. And may become more beneficial if you speak the truth to them and not try to act too smart. Alright? I am just one of them, but courts to which this matter goes, those judges will have a greater knowledge of forensic sciences than I do. And they'll rip you apart. 27 is the USG report